Want to know the secret to building real wealth? It's all about the habits you form. Let's break down the top 5 rich people habits that could transform your life and your bank account. Welcome to Capitalics. One of the key habits of wealthy individuals is their commitment to investing consistently. Whether in the stock market, real estate, or other asset classes, rich people understand the importance of making their money work for them. Consistency is key in building wealth over time, as investments like stocks and real estate tend to appreciate in value, generating passive income and capital gains. Wealthy individuals often prioritize long-term investment strategies rather than chasing quick gains. They regularly contribute to their investment portfolios, whether it's through buying dividend-paying stocks, contributing to retirement accounts, or purchasing income-generating properties. The power of compounding, where the earnings from investments generate more earnings, is one of the primary drivers of wealth. For instance, those who invest in real estate can benefit from rental income and property appreciation, while stock investors may receive dividends and capital gains. By staying disciplined, avoiding emotional decision-making during market fluctuations, and maintaining a long-term vision, wealthy people maximize the growth of their wealth. They also understand the importance of diversification, ensuring that their money is spread across different investment vehicles to reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Reading and continuous learning are fundamental habits of the wealthy. Successful individuals prioritize personal growth by constantly educating themselves, whether through books, courses, podcasts, or industry publications. They understand that knowledge is a key asset in making informed decisions, spotting new opportunities, and staying ahead of the curve in their industries. Many wealthy people dedicate time each day to reading, whether it's biographies, business books, financial strategies, or self-improvement materials. They seek out information that enhances their skills, expands their mindset, and provides new perspectives on achieving success. Additionally, they engage in learning experiences that help them develop leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and entrepreneurial insights. Continuous learning is not just limited to formal education, it's about cultivating a growth mindset that encourages curiosity and adaptability in an ever-changing world. By staying well-informed, rich people can identify emerging trends, understand complex markets, and make smarter decisions. This dedication to ongoing education fosters innovation, builds expertise, and contributes significantly to long-term wealth creation. Therefore, reading and learning are not merely hobbies, but integral practices for maintaining financial success and personal growth. Networking with high-value individuals is a crucial habit among wealthy people. Rich individuals know that the right connections can lead to business opportunities, partnerships, investments, and valuable advice. Networking goes beyond casual acquaintances. It involves building relationships with influential people who can help you grow and reach your financial goals. Wealthy people often attend events, seminars, or exclusive social gatherings where they can meet other successful individuals. These connections can open doors to collaborations, mentorships, and partnerships that may not be available through traditional channels. Networking also allows wealthy individuals to learn from the experiences of others, gaining insights that can accelerate their own journey towards success. It's not just about quantity, but the quality of connections, which is why wealthy individuals prioritize surrounding themselves with people who are driven, knowledgeable, and have a similar mindset of success. Additionally, networking offers opportunities for personal growth and support, whether through shared business advice or encouragement in times of difficulty. By cultivating a strong network of high-value individuals, rich people position themselves for continued success and financial prosperity, as relationships often lead to opportunities that money can't buy. One of the most underrated habits of wealthy individuals is living below their means. While it might seem counterintuitive, many rich people choose to prioritize long-term wealth building over short-term indulgence. They understand that accumulating wealth is not about flaunting luxury, but about making smart financial decisions that contribute to future prosperity. Living below their means doesn't necessarily mean living a life of austerity. It means being mindful of spending, avoiding unnecessary debt, and focusing on saving and investing. Wealthy people people often track their expenses, live in homes that are not necessarily extravagant, and avoid lifestyle inflation. They avoid the temptation to upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. Instead, they channel their extra resources into investments and assets that generate more income. By maintaining a modest lifestyle, even with significant wealth, they can accumulate more assets, reduce financial stress, and keep building wealth. Living below their means is a habit that ensures financial security, stability, and continued wealth growth. It's a mindset shift that helps wealthy individuals prioritize financial freedom over material possessions and short-term gratification. Wealthy people understand that relying on a single source of income is risky, and they make it a habit to create multiple streams of revenue. By diversifying their income sources, they mitigate financial risks and create more opportunities for wealth generation. These income streams can come from a variety of sources, including investments, businesses, side hustles, royalties, or rental properties. For example, someone might earn money from a full-time job, but also receive income from stocks, real estate investments, or a side business. Having multiple streams of income allows wealthy individuals to weather financial downturns more effectively, as they are not dependent on one paycheck or investment. Additionally, by diversifying their income, they create more chances to grow their wealth. Rich people often leverage their existing assets to generate income, whether it's through creating digital products, investing in high-yield assets, or starting a side business. This habit of creating multiple streams of income is essential for building financial security, achieving wealth, and ensuring a long-term sustainable lifestyle. Adopt these habits and watch your wealth grow. Are you ready to change your mindset? Hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which habit you'll start today. Stay wealthy.